What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode with Mom and Papa Joe. Here's the second of our Super Bowl menu ideas. You're going to love this one. Let's get right into it. Today we're going to be doing some leveled up riblets. I'm talking apple pie riblets on the grill, man. We've got some pretty nice one I got from my Asian market. These total about 3.5 pounds, nice and thick. Let's get them out of the package. Rinsed and dried off. They're not going to require a whole lot of trimming, prep work. I will be removing the membrane though on the pieces that have it. And we're going to be cleaning up any large pieces of fat, any scraggly areas, just to make sure we're nice and uniform. And I think we're good here. It's a Sucker Busters kind of day, sports fans. We're going with Sucker Busters SPG and our Meat Candy. This is going to be kind of a sweeter flavor profile, so we're not going to go too heavy with this SPG. We want to make sure we get the sides as well and come back with a little Meat Candy. And we're ready to go. We're going to be putting these on a rack just to make maneuvering them on the grill simpler. Give them a little room in between. The technique I'm using is pretty hot on the grill, so these are not going to take very long. I'm going to be careful that I don't burn them. We'll do a little cleanup in here, then we'll head outside and get that grill fired up. Our fires are ready, man. Our baskets are filled. I'm going in with a couple of small pieces of apple wood. Apple is the theme in today's apple pie riblets. We're going to be using our grate extender to get away from that heat. I expect that we're going to be getting upwards of 425 to 450. So we're going to be paying particular attention to these riblets on the outside hanging near the fire. This is going to happen fairly quickly. I'm thinking 45 minutes to an hour. We're going to have the color we want. And we're going to be looking at braising these. In the meantime, we're going to go inside. We're going to cut up some bacon and some onions. 1 red jalapeno, small onion, of course, some applewood bacon. We're going to be dicing these, and we're going to try to keep them all about the same size. I don't think we need more than half of this onion. Not sure how much of this bacon I need, so I'm going to start with a half of it. And I think that's going to get us. I'm going to try to render this on the grill. So as part of our final glaze, we're going to be adding some apple pie filling. Again, these are apple pie riblets. But once we put these riblets in a pan in the next hour or so, I'm going to be adding a liquid to them. So I want to get as much goodness from this can that I will be adding some apple juice to, just to help braise these. And I think that right there might do it. Just come in with some apple juice. All right, here we go, folks. It's nice and thick, man. That's going to be our braising liquid. All right, we're going to go check our ribs shortly. But when we do, we're going to see if we can get this bacon rendered. Let's head outside. All right, folks, that's been about 25 minutes. Let's make sure we're not burning up anything. They are looking good, cooking nicely. So yes, I am thinking, let's just rotate. Of course, I never come out here with gloves. Let's see how this works. If this isn't doing what I'm hoping it does, I'll put it on the stove. I think we may have about another half hour or so. All right, while we're waiting, folks, we're going to cut up some of these apple pie filling slices to match our onion, our bacon, and anything else we're putting in this glaze in the end. How much you're adding would be totally up to you. This is going to be delicious. All right, our temp gauge is sitting at 425, folks. We are right about 45 minutes. Let's see what our bacon is doing. Don't want to burn that. We are rendering nicely. Smells good too. All right, we are ready here. I'm going to go work on heating up our pan braise. Then we'll come back and get these. Our braising liquid is heated up. It needs some help. If you have never tried Uncle Steve dessert shake, you've been missing out. We made a peach cobbler with this. I'm going in with a full tablespoon, folks, and that's going to really amp up this flavor. We're going to head outside, grab these ribs, and be right back in here. And folks, here we are. Sealed tightly, back on the grill. Folks, this is about where I want this bacon. I don't want it too dark. I don't want it too crispy. This still has some life in it. Let's give this another 45 minutes or so. And in with our onions. And we're only going to give these onions about 5-10 minutes. Folks, this is going to be delicious. All right, let's get these onions off. Oh, that's beautiful. We're going to get these onions drained. Our ribs aren't far away from saucing, folks. We're going to be using a little glaze from Sucker Busters, Honey Glaze. It's an awesome finishing sauce. I'm not sure how much we're going to use. I'm going to start with that, and we're going to start those. I'm not sure how much of this. We're going for broke. Our onions. All these have been drained of the oil. Diced jalapenos, just for a little bite. And of course, the bacon, drained as well. Mama just tasted this, folks, and we think it can use just a little more sweet. We're bringing in another tablespoon of Uncle Steve dessert shake. That did it, Mama. Let's go check on those ribs. All right, folks, we're a little over an hour and a half wrap, and I think we are where we need to be. These are money. Oh, they feel so good. Beautiful color. We're gonna get them cut up, sauced, and then brought back out here to finish. So I'm not gonna let this go to waste. Matter of fact, I don't even have to defat it. Folks, I'm gonna take some of this juice out and pour it into our glaze. Oh, that Uncle Steve really brought this together. We're gonna be cutting these into smaller pieces. I don't think I want them any smaller than that. Now we're gonna come back here, folks, and pour this hot goodness. Going back on our rack, and we'll give these a good 5 or so minutes on the grill. All right, we gave this almost 10 minutes, folks. We are looking and smelling awesome. Let's get them inside and give them a taste. Man, we've given these a few minutes to cool down and gotten the thumbnail, but wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Tell me that's not beautiful, man. Folks, that's absolutely delicious. You can get this done. The family and guests are gonna love this at your football party. I wanna thank you guys and gals, as usual, for hanging out with Mom and I. We really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. And as always, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla.